hope you are in a good condition. Okay, today we will learn about mathematics lesson. Before we start our study today, please raise your hand and let's pray together. Pray begin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Rabbi syrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanah wa fil akhirati hasanah wa qina adzabannar. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Okay, now let's enjoy the video.
Hello grade 4, welcome back in mathematics lesson with Miss Anis. Today we are going to learn about comparing fraction. So please pay attention and watch this video until the end. Comparing fraction just means telling which one is bigger. To compare the fraction, you can use this sign, greater than sign, equal to sign, and less than sign. Okay friends, please pay attention how to compare this fraction. I have fraction 3/5 and 4/5. Let's find out how to compare this fraction. Okay, you can see we will only compare the numerator because the denominator are same number, that is 5. So you can see the numerator number, that is 3 and 4. You can compare 3 is less than 4. So you can get the less than sign. 3/5 is less than 4/5. And then how the second examples, I will speak in bahasa 5/7 dan 2/7. Nah, ini angka yang di bawahnya atau penyebutnya itu sama. Nah, kita berarti hanya membandingkan angka yang di atas atau angka pembilangnya. 5 dengan 2. Nah, 5 lebih besar daripada angka 2. Berarti kita menggunakan tanda lebih besar dari. Sehingga jawabannya 5/7 lebih besar dari 2/7. So, when the denominators of two or more fractions are the same, the fraction with the greater numerator is greater. Okay friends, we compare this fraction. Okay, 1/3 and 1/4. You can see from this fraction the numerator are same and then the denominator are different. So we will only compare the denominator 3 and 4. 3 is less than 4. So we can use the opposite sign to be greater than. 1/3 is greater than 1/4. And then the next examples 3/8 and 3/6. You can see the numerator are same, that is 3, and then the denominator is different, 8 and 6. 8 is greater than 6, so we can use the opposite sign to be less than. 3/8 is less than 3/6. Ya, teman-teman bisa lihat ini adalah membandingkan pecahan dengan angka pembilang yang sama, yang atasnya sama. Nah, kita hanya membandingkan penyebutnya saja. 8 dengan 6. 8 itu lebih besar dibanding 6. Nah, ini kebalikannya. Jadi, kita akan menggunakan tanda yang lebih kecil. 3/8 itu lebih kecil dibanding 3/6. Nah, sebagai ilustrasinya, ini sudah sertakan gambarnya, teman-teman bisa lihat bagian yang diarsirnya. Terlihat bagian yang lebih luas atau lebih banyak yang terarsir adalah bagian 3/6 daripada 3/8. Jadi 3/8 itu lebih kecil dibanding 3/6. Oke, when the numerator of two or more fraction are same, the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater. Ya, jadi angka dengan penyebut yang paling kecil itu lebih besar. Okay friends, the last, comparing fraction with the cross multiplication of numerator and denominator. If the fraction with the different numerator and denominator, we just multiply the top number of each fraction by the bottom number of the other fraction. This is called cross multiplying. Take a look. I have fractions 2/5 and 3/4. Let's we compare. We can start by multiplying the top number in first fraction with the bottom number in the second fraction. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. And then we continue the other side. We multiply again the top number in the second fraction with the bottom number in the first fraction. 3 multiplied by 5. We can get the answer is 15. After you cross multiply, you will have two numbers that will be the new top number. This number will show which one fraction is greater. 8 and 15. 8 is less than 15. So you can get the less than sign. 2/5 is less than 3/4. Okay, the next examples I will tell you in bahasa. 5/3 dan 4/5. Ini akan kita bandingkan. Nah, cara membandingkannya adalah dengan dikali silang, ya. Dikali silang. Kita akan mulai dari 5 dikali 5. Itu adalah 25. Kemudian kita akan kali silang lagi di sisi sebelahnya, yaitu 4 dikali 3. Nah, 4 dikali 3 itu 12. Kita taruh di sebelah sisi kanan. Nah, setelah itu kita akan bandingkan 25 dengan 12. Ternyata 25 lebih besar daripada 12. Berarti 5/3 lebih besar daripada 4/5. And then the last examples, 3/2 and 12/8. Oke, teman-teman bisa lihat 3/2 dan 12/8. We can start from the top number in first fraction with the bottom number in the second fraction. 3 dikali 8 itu adalah 24. Kemudian kita kalikan silang lagi di sisi sebelah kanan. 12 dikali 2 itu adalah 24. It's same number. If you get the same number, so the sign is equal to 3/2 sama dengan 12/8. Okay friends, this is your exercise. Don't forget to submit to your teacher class. If you have a question, you can ask to your teacher. Okay friends, maybe it's enough for today. Hopefully you all understand and don't forget to do your exercise. Let's we close with kafaratul majlis. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu alla ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.